Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to resize, crop and rotate images inside the terminal using an open source library called as Imagemagick. Imagemagick, you can directly install it, download it. It's open source and you can use it in terminal. So this is their official website. I've already downloaded that. It offers the CLI tool which is available for Linux, Mac and Ubuntu system. So just go to I have this 1.jpg file right here. So what I will do is that I will need to resize this image. So it's very easy to do this. So you can simply type here magic and then the file name, which is 1.jpg, and then you basically tell we need to resize it or crop it. So we actually pass this flag here dash resize, and here you specify the dimensions. So let's suppose I want to resize this image to 500 width and 500 height. So I specify the dimensions and then the output file name, so resized.jpg. So as soon as I do this, you will see a file is created. And now if I go to the properties here and go to the details, you will see the width and the height. So it is successfully resized to, it actually also maintains the aspect ratio here. You will see that, and you will see also the size difference. So the original image was 108 kilobytes, but it has been compressed here, resized 23.7 kilobytes. And then it also provides you with the command. You can even do this by percentage as well, dot resize. So if you want to resize it 50%, you can specify this. So now what happens, it actually takes this input image, resize it to the 50%. You can even provide the percentage here. So now it will do the percentage and it will resize this image percentage wise as well. So you can see that. So if I do here, let's suppose 10%. So now you can see it has resized it to the 10%. So it's very easy to do this, guys. And then we can even crop images as well. So for cropping images, we actually have this flag in Imagemagick dash crop. So it will actually crop or cut a specific portion from the image. So I can specify that dimensions 200 by 300 plus the width and the height. So 10 plus 10. So this is actually the dimensions, and then we simply say crop.jpg. So now what happens, it actually crops a certain portion of the image and save this image. You will see that in this easy way you can even crop images. And then lastly, we can even rotate images. So there is a flag here, you can pass here dash rotate. This is for rotation of images. Here you specify the angle and then the output file name. So now if you see, the image has been successfully rotated. So you can see that, guys, it's a very useful library, Imagemagick. You can install this inside your system, and from the terminal itself you can do the image editing operations such as the resize operation or crop operation or rotate operation very easily using the terminal. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.